Usapang real estate tayo. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Crosswinds, Tagaytay para bisitahin ang isa sa mga luxury projects ng Brittany. Ito po ay ang Alpine Villas, which is a condominium project ng Brittany. At ngayong araw, makakasama natin ang Sales Director ng Brittany Sales International na si Miss Bebe. Good afternoon!
Hi, Mitch. Thank you for inviting me.
Yeah, thank you din for the opportunity na
Mm.
i-cover namin itong property ng Brittany. I'm actually part of the sales team already ng Brittany Sales International, and right now, since pag-uusapan natin ang project na ito, we have a few questions for you.
Sure.
So, yeah, first question is, ang ganda ng property, it's fully developed already. Kailan ba ito inumpisahan? Kailan ba ito na-establish?
For everybody's info, actually, given that development is really maintained,
Mhm.
diba, for many years, Crosswinds was launched last 2000.
Year 2000.
2000,
Okay.
yes.
So right now, based on our training seminar, the per square meter right now of Crosswinds is already at 83,000 per square meter.
Yes.
So at that time when this was launched, which was last year 2000, right? How much was it per square meter?
Would you believe it? Because you will see the price increase historical of this project, of this development. When we launched Crosswinds during 2000, it was only 10,000 per square.
Oh my God. So, ang swerte ng mga nakabili dito, no?
Yes.
Nag-pandemic pa yan. Kung hindi pa
Oo.
nag-pandemic, siguro, mas, alam mo yon, mas madami yung mas malaki siguro yung naging price increase nito. So, I have actually been to a lot of subdivision or villages na rin, not just in the Philippines, but around the world. Kakaiba talaga ang feels ng Crosswinds. It's because we have this ang daming pine trees, which is imported pa daw. So this was imported from Switzerland. So ano ang kumbaga ang highlights pa na masasabi natin this is something na we are proud of sa Crosswinds.
Actually, when you visit Tagaytay, you will just see more of tourist attractions, diba? Like you will go to Sky Ranch, Tagaytay Picnic Grove,
Picnic Grove,
diba?
yeah.
And
I
then
haven't
some of
been
the
there.
famous restaurants, diba?
Oo.
Tagaytay is known as tourist spots.
Tourist destination,
Yeah, tourist destination talaga.
Mhm.
But when everybody tell about Crosswinds, it's about pine trees. It's
Oh.
about cuisine, diba?
Okay,
Because in Crosswinds, we are not just offering a residential living, but we are also providing lifestyle destination wherein we can offer restaurants, cafes,
Yeah.
everything you need inside is just throw away.
Yeah, actually, ang ganda ng
Here,
cafe, di ba?
diba?
Yung sa unahan, that's Dear Joe ba? Or what's the coffee shop doon
Ruin
sa harapan?
Project.
Ruins.
Ruin.
And then, there's another coffee shop before that.
Coffee Project.
Coffee Project,
Project,
and
Boyla.
Ruins. Then, coffee shop din yung Napa.
Yes.
And then, dito, Windmill, there's also a coffee shop. Dito sa may bandang
sa may windmill, sa may Dear Joe. Kasi when you go to Tagaytay, you would like to have a gastronomic experience, diba?
And
Like,
kape, of course.
Kape,
kasi malamig.
diba? So, when I go to Tagaytay talaga, gusto mo kape.
Yes,
So, in Crosswinds, when you stay in a hotel or in a residential community inside Crosswinds, nandun lang lahat ng kailangan mo. Hindi ka na kailangan lumabas and to brave the traffic of Tagaytay just to experience the lifestyle in Tagaytay.
Actually, may nag-message dito. According to the message, sinulat ko ito kanina, no? Ano ang income opportunity? Kunyari, mag-i-invest ako. Kunyari, I'm an investor na mag-i-invest ako dito sa property sa Tagaytay. Ano ang pwedeng maging investment returns nito sa akin?
Actually, in terms of income opportunity, first factor when you invest in a real estate is the price appreciation. Value appreciation is the first factor that you have to consider. So, of course, when you invest in a pre-selling, the returns of that property goes higher than 10%. And then right now, the CAGR of Crosswinds is around 16% yearly.
What is CAGR?
That's compound annual growth rate.
16%.
16%. So, we are actually higher than the standard of 10% na CAGR in a real estate development.
Okay,
So,
okay.
meaning, we give best investment to our investors. Aside from it is, of course, if you wanted to invest in a leisure property, hindi lang siya for end use.
Okay.
And then, gusto mo may income generating ka din
Yes.
na may rental yield ka.
Mhm.
So, actually, Tagaytay is one of the destination when it comes to
Wedding.
leasing.
Oo,
Airbnb is
okay.
the hot cake right
Yeah.
now.
I remember, no, when I was very active sa weddings noon, pagdating ng December, January, napakahirap mag-book ng
Kasi,
hotel
yeah,
dito.
oo.
Sobrang ang daming nagbo-book talaga. It's because yun yung wedding season. So ang daming kinakasal, plus the fact na ang daming
Dami
nag-uuwian ng
oo.
mga balikbayas,
Yes.
and they wanted to have that climate na malamig, hindi
Mm-mm.
maingay, and of course, maganda yung view, maganda yung environment.
Yes. To add more, actually, Tagaytay is just an hour away from Manila because
So,
of the
pinakamadaling
new,
puntahan.
oo,
Yeah.
like if you're going to Baguio, of course, Baguio is one of the top destinations. That's 4 to 5 hours away. But if you just want to have a quick experience,
Quick escape.
quick
Ano?
escape lang, Tagaytay lang, di ba?
Oo,
Like, minsan
oo.
nga biglaan, nag-ano
Oo,
kayo.
yeah.
And then, one of the then is, in Brittany, we have our leasing group that will handle the rentals. Like, for
Okay.
example, if you will invest in a pre-selling condo, after the turnover, we will be handling the rental for this this unit.
Okay. Yeah, actually, itong place kung saan tayo ngayon nagsushoot nito, no? This is actually a model unit. So later ipapakita namin sa inyo kung anong itsura nitong model unit na to, kung saan kami nagsushoot ni Miss Beve.
Yes.
So ang ganda-ganda talaga niya. Well, the view outside is really nice. Plus of course, yung interior design kasi nito, I really love it. I've heard
very warm.
I've heard na pwede daw magpahimingi ng tulong sa in-house
Yeah.
na interior, na architect. Kung let's say may gustong ipabago or i-enhance yung ating buyer, I've heard pwede rin daw tayo magbigay ng suggestion.
We give inspirations, and we have also accredited interior designers and then contractors if gusto ng ease investment, ease and convenient investment. Like if you're in abroad, diba? You don't want na to do the hassle in Metro Manila. We have those connections. We have those trusted partners that they can fit out the unit that they will buy.
Marami yung mga nag-iinvest sila sa mga real properties, from local, from the Philippines and from abroad. If you are going to advise, if you're going to advise those people na gustong mag-invest, what is your best advice sa mga gustong mag-invest sa isang property?
One good advice is to invest now. Because you don't want to wait the time na when it will be appreciated na. Because the best time really is now. And if there will be promos offered by the developer, like big discounts, like what we're doing right now in Brittany, flexible payment terms, and some incentives like we're offering staycation when you reserve, and then we give also experience, to experience the lifestyle in Tagaytay, we give that incentive for buyers. That's the best opportunity to invest.
Wow.
And of course, the availability of the unit. Kasi right now,
kahit gusto mo na, nung hindi na available.
Kasi right now, we have 5 buildings
Okay.
of Alpine Villas. And we are right now offering the 5th. And then on the this towers, these are already sold out. 3 of 5 were already sold out.
Okay.
In just 4 years' time.
Okay.
And then we're selling the final tranche of those 2 towers.
Okay. And
so very limited lang.
I've heard yung 5th tower, which is tinatayo pa lang. It's actually pre-selling. The 4th and 5th is parang 4 or 5 units na lang ang available.
Oo.
So it's that fast. Yeah.
Yeah. And then these towers kasi are low density lang. Like meaning 4 to 8 unit owners lang kayo in the floor. So you will have the exclusivity, the gusto mo ng privacy, konti lang kayo in the building. That's Brittany
And
quality.
this is one of the questions na pinaka-importante na sinend ng ating mga followers sa Facebook. Ito bang properties, ito bang Alpine Villas na condominium property na ating binibenta, are these properties Airbnb ready?
Yung unit natin is fully finished. So, meaning the basic, the mga countertops, yung mga finishes CR. Of course, you will just be providing the ref, yung mga sofa. So, basic na lang yun. If you're if you want to fit out. But of course, we have accredited partners to do it, to fit out, na para mapa-Airbnb nyo siya or mapa-lease out nyo.
Okay, pero we are allowed, as a unit owner, allowed kami
Yes,
na mag-Airbnb business. Oh, wow. That's great.
Yes. Hindi lang siya limited to Airbnb, but we have, once the towers will be ready na, we will be having our own leasing group.
So merong property management.
Yes,
okay.
Para mas, kasi of course, in Airbnb, it's more of the control of the owner, so mahirap din na walang nagko-control nung yung units and then the safety and security. But when you lease it under the Brittany Residences
property
group,
management, wala ka nang problema.
Wala kang problema.
Wala
You
ka
will
nang
just
iisipin.
get the income of your unit.
And for that rental, ilang % ang kinukuha ni property manager ng property management?
Usually, it's around 10% broker's fee. And of course, yung mga utilities mo, yung mga kuryente, ibabawas yun. Siguro more or less mga nasa 70% income sa'yo yun. It's a good investment instead of investing in a condotel. Because in this segment for Brittany, it's a residential leasing. So you will get the entire income. Diba? Hindi siya profit sharing.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Marami pa tayong pwedeng pag-usapan about dito sa Alpine Villas habang meron pa pong natitirang unit. So for our viewers, the numbers are flashed on the screen. If you have further questions, feel free to message us or call us on the number listed below. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig at panonood, brother, and maraming salamat, Miss Bebe.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Yes.
Have a great day, everyone.